a business cannot be with bad employees. And more than that is the person himself, if he's in the wrong position, he's struggling. He goes home every night feeling miserable.
Right.
And when you let go of the person, sometimes you will meet them 6 months later and they'll tell you they have an amazing job and you feel so bad. Why didn't I let them go earlier?
Right.
And the answer is that you should, because Hashem runs the world. You know, when we used to do recruiting, we would interview 20 people in a day, and 19 of the 20 we would mark as unqualified for anything, because we didn't feel that these people are qualified for any of the positions that we have. Why? For different reasons. The recruiters did not feel. And it affected them because they felt like these people need bread on the table. And some people would tell them straight out, I don't have money for Shabbos. Can you get me a job? And it would be hard for them. Now, slowly, I started training the team that Hashem runs the world. He provides for everybody. You see sometimes people being employed and you can't understand how in the world did somebody hire that person, but they did.
Wow.
And sometimes he's even doing an amazing job. And the same thing is with jobs. So we would only help, let's say, 1 out of 20, but Hashem is helping the other 19. It's one of the things that people need to keep realizing is, yes, you do have an obligation to help other people, but you're not running the world. You have to take care of yourself. The more you take care of yourself, the more you end up helping other people.